Hello guys, welcome to the video. So in this video we will solve the question next greater element 2. Alright, so I request you to please first see the question video and the solution video of next greater element right question, because it is the strong prerequisite for this question. Because in this question we will also find next greater element to the right, but this question is slightly different, but you should have prior knowledge of that question next greater element to the right. So I strongly request you to first see that video, and till then I will make you understand about this question. So what's in this question? We are given a nums array of values. Let's take it 3 8 4 1 2. All right, so let's take these values. So this is this is given from the question only. All right, so nums array is given from the question only, and what we have to do, we just have to find next greater element to the right in this question. But the slight twist is that this time it's a circular array. Or forget everything. For this, let us find next greater element to the right. All right, so for this we will find next greater element to the right. So for 2 there is nothing, so -1. For 1 there is 2. For 4 nothing, so -1. 8 nothing, so -1. And 3 for 8. All right, so this is the answer of next greater element to the right for this question. But this time we are given with a circular array, so this time the array is given circular. Right, so let me delete this all. So the array is circular this time. So this is not the correct answer for this question. All right, so we are given that 3 8 4 1 2 are given circularly. All right, so the next greater element of the right at the right for 2 is 3 now. So the answer is 3 now. For 2, answer is 3 now, not -1. All right, so for next greater element for 1 is 2 now. It was 2 also before. And now we will talk about 4. So the next greater element for 4 is 8 now, not -1. So 8 is the answer, because we are traveling in the circular manner. We are traveling in a circular array. So for 8, answer is -1 only, because 8 is the greatest element for this array. And for 3, same answer, 8. So this is the correct answer for this type of question, this question. All right, because in this question we are given a circular array, and we have to find next greater element to the right for this array. All right, so I will delete this all, and we will find out. We saw what of this question. All right, we have to find next greater element to the right, and inside the circular array we have discussed the example also. All right, now we will see how we will do it. All right, so how we will do it? It is given, let's take a stack here. We will take a stack here. All right, and let us find the answer for 2. So for 2, if we find the answer, leaving 2, I will traverse at every value of the array at first. All right, so for first I will leave 2 and find the answer for 2. So for answer for 2 is inside these 4 elements only. So I will leave 2 and find the answer for 2 by traversing all these four elements. All right, so firstly we will go at 1. All right, and what we will do, I will make you remember again. We push, we pop, we print the answer, then we push the answer. All right, so this is the algorithm here. So we can't pop anything, we can't print the answer because we are finding it. So we will push 1 here. All right, so secondly, now 4 turn will come, and 4 will see that there is a smaller element inside the stack. All right, so we will pop every smaller element beside me. All right, so if I am 4 and if I see any elements beside me which is smaller than me, so I will pop it out and push myself. All right. Same for 8. When 8 comes, 8 will see that 4 is smaller than him. 4 is smaller than 8. So it will pop 4 and push itself. Same for 3. 3 will come and see that if the top element, if the peak element is smaller than itself or not. So 8 is now obviously not smaller than 3. So 3 will push itself only. Alright. So for now we have to find the answer for every elements. Alright. So this time what will happen, we will find answer for all elements and traverse at all elements. So I will change the color of the pen. Alright. So I will start from 2 now because I will change the state and we will start from 2 now. So T2 will come and see if the element inside the stack, if the element which is at the top of the stack is greater than me or smaller than me. So it is greater than 2. If it is greater than 2, then this is the answer of 2. Alright. So this is the answer of 2. So the answer for 2 is 3. Alright. And we will traverse further. So, and also when we get the answer for 2, we will push 2 because we are following these steps. Alright. So what we will do now, I will take my 1 here, then I will see that if the element at the top of the stack is smaller than me, no. If it is greater than me, then it is my answer and I will push myself. Then 4 will come. When 4 will come, 4 will see that if the element at the top of the stack, is smaller than me, yes, it is smaller than me. Then again, the element at the top of the stack is smaller than me, yes. Again, the element at the top of the text smaller than me, yes. So it will pop it. Then again, the element of the at the top of the stack is smaller than me, no. This time the answer is no. So this is the correct answer for 4. Alright. So what we will do for 8 now? When 8 will come, whenever 8 will come, so what we will do, we will check that if the value is same or greater. Alright. The value is not greater, it is same as the value. So if the value is same, then we will write -1. Alright. Now 3 will come. Sorry, I forgot to put the arrows. Now 3's turn will come and 3 will see that if the stack is empty, no, stack is not empty. Yes, actually what will happen there in the 8 condition, when we'll check it, so 8 will pop this out also. So the stack is empty. Alright, basically the stack is empty. But what will happen at third position, at 3, so what we will do, that if it comes inside, so it will see that what was the last greater element which was inside the stack. So the answer is 8 and it will push itself. Alright, so we got our final answer. Our final answer is 8 -1, 8, 2 and 3. Alright, so it's very simple. I hope you understood the logic behind it. It is a circular array and we have to find it by stack only. Alright, we will push the element, we will pop the element if it is smaller than us. If the element is greater than us, then that is the answer and we should push ourselves. So we are following these 3 steps. Alright, so now let's go to the editor and code it down. So we'll go to the website and code it in C++. So what we will do, we will first make our work easy and write nums.size inside the variable n. Now what we will do, I will create a stack. So how we will create the stack, then data type, and then the name of the stack, because I need the stack. All right. So now what we will do, I will create a for loop. As I told you, I will leave the last element and traverse all the elements beyond it. So I will start the loop from n minus 2 till 0, and I will decrement it. All right. So it's simple, very simple. Inside it, what I have to do, I have to pop the values. But no, I can't pop the values. Why? I have to first check the condition. What condition? That firstly, the stack should not be empty, and secondly, the element which is at the top should be smaller or equal to me. Should be smaller or equal to me. Then only I will pop it. All right. So then only I can pop it. After that, I can push it, and I will push my value. All right. So after pushing the value, I will create my answer vector. All right. So I will create, sorry, what I am doing. I will create my answer vector this time. All right. So my answer vector is this. So now what will I do? Now I have to do the same thing, but by taking last value also this time. So I will copy the same loop again. All right. So I will copy the same loop again this time and start it from n minus 1 because I want to take the last value. All right. But this time, what I have to do, I have to pop the values. I have to push myself. But between this, what I have to do, I have to fill my answer vector also. So inside my answer vector, what will I do? I will, or let me create some conditions. All right. I will put my if condition, then else condition, and inside my if condition I will see that if my stack is empty or not. If my stack is empty, then the value of I should be -1. All right, very simple thing. If the value or if the stack is empty, then I am -1. All right, if the stack is not empty, then the value which is at the top of that stack is my answer. So I guess I am done with the code. No, I'm not done. I have to return my answer also. All right. So what we have done in the code, I will make it large and make you see. So we will first take the nums array size inside a n variable, so we can use it further. We will create a stack. We will create a for loop from by leaving last values, and then a while loop in which we are checking if the size is greater than 0 and the element which is at the top of the stack is smaller than the nums I, is smaller than the that element is smaller than me, then I will pop it. All right, and then I will push myself. Then I have created a answer. All right, and I have not declared the size. All right, so the size of this vector answer is n also, n, and by writing 0 here, I will initialize every values at 0. All right, then what will I do? I will again put a for loop inside that array and start from the last value. All right, and I will start from the last value by checking the same thing, if the element is smaller than me or the stack is empty or not. We will pop it. Then I will check that if the stack is empty, if the stack is empty, then put the value -1. And if the stack is not empty, then the value which is at the top of the stack is my answer. All right, and after that I will push myself and then I will return the answer. So let's run this code. and see if it gets accepted. So yeah, we got the wrong answer. So what we did wrong here, let me see. Inside this I will come, I will write the nums, I'll create my answer array, I will update my nums. Oh sorry, I have to update this all inside my answer, and then I will push my, no, here I will keep nums only. And let's run this again. All right, so yes, it got accepted. Let's submit it and see if it gets correct answer. So I hope it gets corrected. Yes, so the answer is correct. So I hope you understood this video. If you understood this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.